Hey everyone! For today's video, I'm doing a small little diorama, and the pattern is from Papermau, and originally it's quite big, but I resized it down to about 40%, so it's compact and tiny. So I printed my pattern on 120 GSM printing paper, and because I'm working in such a small scale, I mostly cut off all the tabs, and a lot of the parts I glued to some sturdy mixed media paper. And I'm using the Talons mixed media paper. It's like really cheap. It's like €10 for 30 A4 sheets, I think. Also, I make sure to tint the edges. Although this Copic marker doesn't work too well, I think it's just because there's residue of glue, so maybe an acrylic marker would be better. Here I'm just using a pointer tool to make indentations in the paper, so it kind of looks like there's grooves of the wood. So for the roof, I also glued it to the mixed media paper, and I made sure I didn't glue the tabs to the paper, but then it was pretty pointless because I cut off the tabs anyways. I made sure to make some score lines on the bag just so it was easier to bend. But then I realized that the roof doesn't actually fit the bottom of the house. I think it's to do with how I glued the house together. So I just trimmed the edge of the roof a bit, and that made it fit perfect. The pattern comes with a base already, so you could just use that, but I wanted to make my own base, so I just used a scrap piece of wood. And for the terrain, I'm just using wall spackle. So this one's from IKEA. You could also use texture paste from the art store, but the IKEA one is just so cheap compared to that, and you could also use it to repair walls, so it's a bonus. I let the surface of the texture paste dry a bit, and then I just use a sponge to lightly dab on the surface so I get like a bit of a texture on top. And then I just set it to the side to fully dry. And it doesn't take that long to dry. I think it fully dried after like 2 hours or something. So this is just painting the base, and initially I thought I wanted to have like a grassy ground, so I started with brown, but then I decided on concrete, so I just painted everything with a grayish color, and I think it turned really nice. It has like a dilapidated concrete-y feel to it. My piece of wood did warp a bit, probably because of all the color and the spackle, but to be fair, it was already a tiny bit warped before I even started, so this didn't help. So I just used some bits of balsa wood that I painted brown on the edges. So I tried to make some grass tufts, but I don't have the static grass machine, so it's not perfect, but I think it looks okay. So I just dabbed a bit of glue onto the acetate sheet, and then I sprinkled some grass on top. I realized a bit too late that I forgot the ladder, and you can see it attaches to this top part and it goes down, but at the bottom I already glued it in the barrels, so they're kind of in the way, so I just kind of skipped the ladder. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think the tiny size makes it really cute. So if you want to try to make it yourself, be sure to check out Papermau's website. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.